Okay, what's going on YouTube? As you can see, we are picking up another bike again. Pardon for a second, I have all the booklets and stuff inside my jacket, so as soon as I sit down it would stay put. So real quickly, take a look around this awesome 40 years GS edition GSA. We're gonna take her home today. Nothing much, I mean, looks wise, nothing much has changed except for the color. Get that. So I just got the nav put on. I got used to that. I know you don't need it, but I got used to that on the other bike. 5 miles on the clock. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Very nice. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's go park somewhere for a sec. Oh, I've been suffering from this lower back injury for a little bit, so I'm kind of hard for me to bend over and stuff. So let me just park it real quick here. My tires are, I've never used these tires before, the Karoo 3s. They're kind of nice on the dirt and stuff, but as with any knobby, they're kind of squishy on the road. So just gotta get used to them. Make sure my stuff don't fall off while I'm riding. Okay, let's go. It looks like, let's see what tire pressure they put me on. Hopefully my stuff don't fall off. It shouldn't. Oh my god, yeah, I'm not really fond of these tires for sure. Alright guys, yeah, we're here riding the 48th anniversary 40 years of GSA GS edition. It's a lot of GS there. Yeah, this thing is just, yeah, the tires. So like I mentioned before, it has the Karoo 3 tires. I'm not used to it, I never used it before. It is a little squishy, so just gotta be careful not to get too confident and crash my new bike. So let me just tell you guys a story on how I came about finding this bike. So I was on Cycle Trader. Every 40-year anniversary GS that you will see are low suspension models actually. So it was really surprising to find this one. It was actually really surprising to find this one being available, and it's a standard height. Yeah, so yeah, I found this one, standard height. I messaged the dealership, and they answered me during the Memorial Day weekend. Surprisingly, I'm glad they did, because we were able to lock the deal in on that day, Monday. So I'm really excited because I still have to. So there's not a lot of things that's changed from 2019 to this one, except for the adaptive headlights, cornering headlights. You have the revised user experience and menus here. Also, you have heated seats. So when you press the heated button here, it brings you to a heated page, like a heat page. You can choose there if you want to turn on your heated seats and your grip, handlebar grip heat. So it's a little it gives you another step to do it, so it's not so bad. But because you have a heated seat now, so they have to accommodate for that. nice. I didn't peel the film on the screen yet, so I'll do that with you guys later. And the 40 years GS doesn't come with the radiator guards or the frame protectors, so that one I had to order separately because I want those, because your boots will rub on the frame if you're standing up on the bike. Also the radiator guards, you just need the radiator guards on every bike anyway, so I had to get those separately. And yeah, that's, you know, it's funny how it didn't come with that. It's just a simple plastic piece from BMW. It's not anything special, but it didn't have it. Only the HP Rally version has those guards, but this one is more expensive because of the option 719 villain head covers. Alright you guys, yeah, so I guess this video is just for delivery. I'll shoot another one that goes through the differences, features, and things like that in a nicer setting, because I can't really fully point on that while I'm riding. But thank you guys for joining me on this delivery day, if you will. I've been waiting on this bike for a while. I've seen this in, you know, the press pictures, but this bike is super hard to get at the moment where I am. And if you look at Cycle Trader, most of the ones that you'll see are low suspension model. Unless that's what you're looking for, it's really hard to find this bike. So I'm really happy that I'm actually able to get one, and it did take some time, but that's okay. You know, I was gonna settle for the triple black. I don't want to call it settling. The triple black is also nice, but this kind of black with the yellow accents and the yellow handlebar like this, it's just it's much nicer to me personally. So yeah, so I'm able to achieve that. And thank you guys for the people that participated in the poll. I already knew what I was gonna pick, but I wanted to know what everyone's thoughts are anyway. So thank you guys for participating on that. More videos to come for the 1250 GSA 40 years of GS version. And yeah, we'll talk some more. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.